Hey everyone, today I would like to share with you the recipe of making this Chinese creamy white fish soup. Enjoy! In this video for vegetables, I used this sea grape seaweed, which has really unique texture. When you bite on it, it pops. It's also called vegetarian caviar. Now to make sure the broth doesn't taste fishy, a few slices of ginger is a must for the ingredients. And the Chinese dates, goji berries, and tofus are optional. You can simply use any vegetables of your choice. Once we heat up the oil, simply add in the fish to cook, adding a little bit of cooking wine. Cook until both sides are golden brown. Simply smash up the fish with fish bone in it, adding boiling water and ginger to boil. This is how you create this super umami flavor in a clear white fish soup. The reason why I added dates and goji berry is because it adds some pretty color to the broth. You can totally put in sliced meat, vegetables of your choice like regular seaweed, mushrooms or cabbage, right? Finally, season the broth with some salt to your liking. There you have it. This soup is so healthy and delicious. Please check out my full recipe in the bio link. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.